Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following cars here. Racing car, a nice racing car. You can see the first one is a nice racing car. You can see speed first, number 3, very nice. Now check the next one. Another interesting vehicle. Pink bus. Very nice bus. Super cute bus. Another cute bus. Okay, now check the next one. Racing car number 95. Racing car number 95. Red color. Very nice racing car. How about this one? Transportation truck. Okay, transportation truck. Yellow color. Okay. Now check this one. Another transportation truck. We use this truck to transport any cars to car shop, to anywhere we want to go. Very nice. Now move forward. So we can see another truck. I put some water. Okay, I have to clean it. About this one, everybody. Cement mixer truck. A nice cement mixer truck. Now check the next one. Red helicopter, everybody, red helicopter. A nice helicopter here. Red helicopter. Now check the next one. Mobil Truk. Indonesian language, Mobil Truk. Indonesian language, we call Mobil Truk. But English, we call truck. How about this one? A logistic truck. There are a white container. You can see a white container. We can see express service. Very nice. Mini white monster truck. You can see a white monster truck here. How about this one? Bulldozer, yellow color. Everybody, now I check last one. How about this one? Four wheels motorbike. Very nice. Everybody, let's move forward so I can see another interesting truck. Now I will check. Police car, yellow color. You can see a nice police car, yellow color. Another one, you can see a yellow mini airplane. You can see a yellow airplane. The next, you also see a yellow super motorbike. The next one, green express bus. cute car, everybody. This is a cute car. Okay, this one is a last one. Mini airplane, white color. Mini airplane, white color. With the word happy, 868. Mini airplane. My cute airplane ever. Everybody, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't forget to enjoy your day. Be happy every time, everywhere. Goodbye.